First of all, if you're here to judge and you are not into new trends, then you need to click off this video because yes, I am bringing the unibrow back. Well, I don't know if it ever was a thing, but whatever. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. But this is what's happening in this video. Let's do some eyebrows. Hey, my gator. So I'm going to do something different. What I'm getting ready to do is beat my face for my videos for Vlogtober. So just got done doing a video showing how I did these fall color nails, and so I'm going to show you how I transform my face. It ain't a whole bunch, but it's enough for me, and I'm just going to show you everything I'm using. I just have a makeup towel that I keep here that I wipe everything on when I need it. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild, and this is the color Simba. Yeah, I think this is the Simba color, Simba or something like that. LA Girl Pro Colors, and this is Almond. And then we have Fit Me 338. Then I have ILIA, and I got this from, is that Ulta or Sephora, whichever is in Kohl's, as a gift, and I just been rocking with that. And that's basically it. In here I have the brushes I'm going to use for my eyebrows. Been using these for years. If you've been rocking with me, I'm talking about over 6-7 years I've been using these. I got these like 6-7 years ago. Yeah, still rocking with them. And that's all that's in here, y'all. And this, oh, I'm sorry, this is mascara. I forgot to tell you. And that's it. That's it. That's all I do. That's all I do. So just watch me transform my face before your eyes. Hopefully my camera acts right and do me right. Oh, crazy. All right, so I keep getting a text from the guy giving me an estimate. My Lord, let me get through this video. So we're gonna start with this. I just sharpen it, and I don't like mine sharpened like really sharp because I just don't. I don't know why, I just don't. So make sure these are brushed. And it's a good way if you're trying to grow your brows and you don't want to cut them. You can conceal them as well. So I like to go in and kind of darken it however much I need it to. I'm trying to look in the mirror, guys. My phone is low. I've been recording all morning. See that? Just enough. And I like to go in. You know, the further you come in, creating that look of a unibrow, it just does something for your face. Look at like people from like Dubai and Iraqi ladies and stuff, and how their eyebrows sit. They actually sit really close together, and they're very thick, and it's very exotic and nice. I love it. So yeah, mine don't sit too far apart, but they sit in a way where I can still have space to do it and it not look too much. We definitely not gonna have a unibrow, but so I just kind of go in and give me the look that I want. I usually don't really go too far into the front like I did that side, but anyways, I can feather that out and smooth that out. So those are my brows. Right now they look a hot mess, but let me show you what I do. I take and I come with my concealer to get around them and do what I need to do to create the clean look around them. And that's all. Oops. That's what I do. I create the clean look, then I come back and brush them how I want them. So if I'm really trying to be fancy, I go above and below. If I'm wearing a hat and I just want you to see my eyebrows, I really don't do the top as much. So see how it creates a clean look? That's what I do. I'm gonna do it on both eyes. So I'm getting ready to do the other eye. Basically, I'm creating where I want the foundation of the brow to set. And so when I start smoothing and brushing out the color of the liner, it'll stay within the lines like I want it. So that's what I'm doing right now. That an eyebrow video for you guys, but I don't know what I did with the footage. Did I show that? I don't even think I shared that. And this one is too thick for me, so I'm gonna go in with the concealer and bring it down a little bit more, so it's not so thick like that. Then these are my babies. This one smears it away. This one, like, you'll see, watch what happens. This one fans it out and smooths it out. So if I need some, I'll come from the back and then come back to the front, and it kind of feathers it out for me. So I do this before I smooth all that concealer out around. I smooth out how I want them to look, like that, and it kind of gives me a unibrow. That way I can tell that they are together. I had to get a thumbnail. Okay, and then I go with this one. This is flat. You notice this one is flat and this one has like a dome shape. This is the one that I go to and smooth out all my concealer and like fade it into my skin. And you don't want a concealer that's too much. I would say maybe 2 shades lighter than you, not much, even 1 shade. I have one that's real similar to mine where I don't want it to look too like I really did them, that I would wear, depends on the occasion. So you see what I'm doing? I'm going in, see there's a line, but I don't want that line, so I'm gonna go in and fade that line out like that. This is gonna be your best friend. See how it's fixing the end of this. I don't want it too long, so I'm gonna go up with it like that. See that? And this one is perfect. It's actually thinner. They don't have to be twins, they just have to look identical. So we're gonna go down with this just like that, and I always go over to my right and I go over to my left, just enough. I want about 1 inch between. We'll wipe this off, come back in and make sure that the concealer is not bunched up from where I just made those lines like that. Okay, so now we're gonna clean up real good. Now, do I want them straight? Do I want them to angle? I don't know. Today we might go with a angle where I angled them from this corner up like that, and you'll see a difference like that. That's how I want to wear them today. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side like that. See? And what we're gonna do is just fade it out a little bit so it's not so harsh. We're gonna fade it out with this. This is what fades it out to make it look natural. And that's it. The brows are done. We don't need to do all that extra, to each his own. So then I'll take, I have a line on my nose. It's not that dark, you really can't see it. So I usually take this and I'll take this and I'll go like that. This is me. This is when I'm getting dressed or I'm going on a date or I'm going out and I know I want to look like, in my opinion, flawless, right? This is what I'm doing. Plus I got to do a video, so I'm like, why not? So I'm taking, wetting this. We're going to take mine, just a little. I don't do a lot. And we're going to go in my face like that. Go over the nose. Go under the eye. That's it. That's it. Now, if I got something going on down here, I'll let it sit for a couple seconds, like so. So it can dry, then I'll come back and smooth that out. Yeah. Oh. And this also by that same company is a blush. I actually like it. It's really cool. After I do that, let me get this done first. It's dry enough. Just enough. Just enough. Like if there's anything on my face that I don't like that, that's it. Just enough, right? So we're gonna come in with this blush right here. Right here. Okay. I'm gonna take the back of this and just take it off. Just a little bit, take it off. We don't need that much. It actually looked brighter in the camera than it do literally in person, which was weird, but yeah, just enough, and that's it. And so eyelashes, I have lashes. So we're just gonna go in and put a nice thin coat. I really don't like to put nothing on my lashes. I'm trying to continue to let them grow and do them. So I really don't like to do too much with them. So that's it. This is how I do my face. We ain't doing too much. Now, you know, if I did want to be fancy, I'll throw on some magnetics. Those are my lashes. I don't like wearing all that other crap, but I will definitely throw on some magnetics. So yeah, so this is how I do my face, and that's it. So I'm prepared to get my videos started, my intros for some of the videos, and that's it. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. I will see you guys later, guys, but let me go put my zhuzh together, and then I'll be back and I'll put this, I'll add it at the end of this video. All right, I hope this quick and easy tutorial on how to do your face. You don't need to do all that extra stuff. Everybody doesn't need to, and I see a lot of beautiful girls with beautiful skin that does it, but I guess when you're creating content and that's what people want, you have to do what you have to do. But I need my skin to breathe, and I'm not doing this every day. So let's get into what she gonna look like.